Hello friends, today we will discuss SCO meet at China. The 2025 SCO summit held in Tianjin, China, the latest and most significant gathering of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, hosted by Beijing. So SCO's full form is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. SCO meeting in China. The 25th SCO summit of heads of state took place from August 31st to September 1st, 2025 in Tianjin at Meizhang International Convention and Exhibition Centers in China. It is chaired by Chinese President Xi Jinping. This was the fifth time China hosted the summit, and it marked the largest gathering in SCO's history. Key highlights: high level attendance. The summit brought together leaders from all 10 member states, including India's PM Modi, Russia's President Putin, Iran's President Masoud, and others. Observer and dialogue partners also joined the broader SCO Plus discussions. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization or SCO agreements and documents. Delegates approved 24 documents, among them the Tianjin Declaration, the SCO Development Strategy until 2035, and new agreements establishing two crucial centers, an anti-drug center and a universal center for countering security challenges. Institution building. China proposed forming an SCO development bank to bolster the organization's economic infrastructure. Laos was granted status as an SCO dialogue partner, and CIS, that is Commonwealth of Independent States, was added as an observer. Cultural recognition. The city of Cholpan Ata, Kyrgyzstan, was designated the SCO Tourist and Cultural Capital for 2025 2026. The leadership transition. With this summit, the SCO chairmanship passed from China to Kyrgyzstan for 2025-2026 under the theme 25 years of SCO together for a stable world, development and prosperity. The bigger picture and highlights. Global vision, multipolarity. Xi Jinping and Russian President Putin used the summit to advocate a new global order, one centered in the global south, and multilateralism, pushing back against Western dominated systems. Modi, Putin, and Xi bond. The trio displayed notable camaraderie and diplomatic warmth during the summit, emphasizing a shift in geopolitical alignments. Cutting edge tech. A humanoid robot named Xiao. He was introduced to assist delegates and journalists, showcasing China's focus on integrating AI and smart technologies at international forums. US pushbacks. US officials critic the SCO gathering as largely performative and raised concerns over India and China's ongoing economic ties with Russia. That's all.